Alright, almost every car, your air filter is located behind your glove box here. So what you want to do is look on the hinges on both sides. See that? See that? And I've already popped these out. So you gotta do is squeeze in the side and pull it back a little bit, and then that'll drop your glove box even more like that. Next, you're gonna want to find the actual box. Look under here, behind that right there is where your air filter is. So I'm gonna put 2 clips on your side, pull those back, and then there should be a cover that comes off. Just like that. And now if you look, that's your air filter right there. So all you gotta do is pull it out and put a new one in. Another location for some cars is going to be on the floor right here, from the passenger side. This is a 1-minute change, and it probably costs $50 at a shop to do it. So if you want to save yourself time and a lot of money, just do it yourself. All you gotta do is look up what type of air filter your car needs on a parts store, order that, find it, pop it out, put a new one in. That's it.